So who does home rollering help? Anybody who, like me, suffers with pigmentation, it can help for even skin tone. Anyone who has any acne scarring. Okay, I'm just going to move down this side of the face now, so I'm just going to apply more product. So anybody who suffers with acne scarring, it's great for that because it's going to help to repair the damaged tissue by creating a micro injury to the skin, and that forces the skin to heal itself again. My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Skin and Laser Specialist, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe. It's also great for anybody who, sorry, I just switched off there for a second, forgot to finish answering the question. Anybody who suffers with mild rosacea, it can also help too. Severe rosacea, wouldn't recommend at all. It's great for blackheads, whiteheads, open pores. It doesn't get rid of open pores, but it definitely reduces the open pores. It's great for rejuvenation and general anti-aging. Production of collagen and elastin in the skin, for sagging skin. What else is it good for? Many things. It's pretty much it's a great tool. I mean, it's a tool that everybody should have at home just for general skin health. It pretty much treats all concerns in the skin. And it's just really for an anti-aging method to keep on top of your skin, because your collagen production all starts to slow down from age 25. We lose 1 to 2% of our collagen every year. So from age 25 to 35, we've already lost 10 to 20%, pretty scary. And by age 45, we've lost 30 to 40%. By age 55, we've lost, what, 50 to 60% of our collagen. That's pretty scary. I'll leave it at that. You can picture the rest. So just keeping that production of collagen and elastin happening in the skin is the best way to keep your skin fresh, young, and as healthy as you can.